up guys, my name is Eileen and today we are going to be building in my favorite case. Here's the story about this build. I have an Alienware and it works amazingly. Then one of my tech friends has sent me a 3080 Ti. This PC only has 550 watts of power supply and a 3080 Ti requires a 750 watts power supply. Looking inside, I don't want to deal with cable management, so I took this opportunity to build in my favorite case. Ever since this case came out, I thought I would love to build in this case. This is a perfect opportunity to put everything in here to here. So without further ado, let's start. Alrighty, it's alive. You guys can see I have a lot of work that needs to be done with my setup, but yeah, I'm overall happy with this case. There you have it guys, my first ITX build. I'm so happy. This is my dream case. I've always wanted to build in NZXT H1 and now I do have it. I am gonna miss my Alienware, not gonna lie. Yeah, so it's been amazing. I'm finally starting to upgrade everything in my setup. So if you guys are interested with the whole setup makeover, look how dirty this or how messy this room is. So yeah, there's like some swatches. I'm gonna finally do my setup makeover, and if you guys are interested in that, make sure to subscribe. Yeah, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.